Have you ever faced the chaos of a home improvement project or a construction site? The debris, clutter, and waste management can be overwhelming. But fear not, for Dirty Works Dumpsters is here to transform your experience. Join us today as we embark on a journey through the world of dumpster rentals and discover how Dirty Works Dumpsters brings a touch of magic to your waste management needs. Dirty Works Dumpster Rental is a well-established and trusted waste management company that specializes in providing top-tier dumpster rental services. With a commitment to making waste disposal hassle-free and efficient, Dirty Works Dumpsters has become a go-to resource for individuals and businesses seeking a dependable solution for managing debris, clutter, and waste during various projects. At Dirty Works Dumpsters, we understand that time is money. We deliver the dumpster to your project site, ensuring a seamless waste management process. When the mission is complete, we swoop in and elegantly whisk the dumpster away, leaving your space neat and primed for the next adventure. At Dirty Works Dumpsters, we believe in quality without compromise. You'll be thrilled by our wallet-friendly rates, where affordability meets excellence. Don't let waste management stress you out. Call us at 601-258-3867 or visit our website at www.dirtyworksdumpsters.com and experience the difference. Dirty Works Dumpsters, your ultimate solution for dumpster rentals.